guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you for all the returning subscribers. Thanks for all the likes and all your comments. Now today we're on Kingsland High Street and we will be stopping by in this thrift shop to see what they have going on, if there's anything interesting that I would like to purchase, or if there's anything useful I probably would like to get. So it's a nice sunny day today, hence we're here walking about and seeing all the lovely stuff in this thrift shop. So just getting the place to see what is on offer. I didn't see anything in the shoe section that was of my liking, so I just kept walking along and seeing what is there that I might have missed. So this is the male section that I'm looking at, and those are the books that I'm just eyeing over. So yeah, just looking around and see what's what. I didn't see nothing that I would like to purchase, so I just did some eye shopping and see what I'm able to get. I think that was a plant that I was looking at, some suckling. I don't remember what the name of that one was, but that was a plant ready to be planted. Just add water to it. So as I say, there was nothing of interest to me, so here we go. So we're back on Kingsland High Street. Everyone is out, smiles on everyone's faces, because you know that when the sun is out, automatically you're in a better mood. Remember, we are in London, so we don't get this type of weather regularly. So whenever we have a little sunshine, the temperature goes up double figures, 21, 22, 23. Yeah, everyone will come out and try to catch a bit of it. So yes, I'm just here moving along, and for most of the video I will not be talking.
The way Jesus Christ is the truth, and Jesus Christ is the life.
Enjoy the video.
If you want life eternal for your soul,
walk along
there is only one man.
High Street, after which we will be going into the market to see what's on offer and the prices of some of the stuff that they have going. So come along, enjoy the view, see what's going on, and I will catch you. and
You can have two black pepper.
for 50p. So there's no reason why you should have it in your meat, in your
Take 3 more £1, 5 £2 anyone.
Huh?
you get one. There's no reason why you shouldn't have
One.
different places because you can get them in Dalston Market.
How much that?
Prices. A few of what you can get. You can get thyme, you can get pimento, seasoning, chicken seasoning, paprika. You also have more cubes, chicken cubes, or vegetable stock cubes. As you can see at the back there, I think those are palm oil. You can get nice glasses here, nice fresh foods. You have banana, you have oranges, you have lemons, and all those are for a bowl. So each of those white bowls, whether it's contains tangerines there, that's for a pound. So all the stuff that are packed out on the table, it generally goes for a pound. So the guys, they would normally pack it and you just take out the one of your choice. You just look for a nice bowl that is up to your standard. So as you can see, it's nice and sunny, very colorful. I'm telling you, the place is very, very colorful. Everyone is in their t-shirts, their shorts, all the coats, or I should say most of the coats are left behind because everyone is just out shopping and enjoying a nice, lovely day at the market. And as you can see, in East London, it's very multicultural. It is very multicultural. A lot of people coexist together, and it's peace and harmony. Yeah, a lot of different people coexist together. So all those that you're seeing in those bowls, all those bowls of fruits and vegetables, they're only a pound. So you have your nice nice colorful summer stuff that you can get if you're on a budget. When you come to the market, you get your money stretched tomatoes, as I said, it only costs £1. They have lime, and that is just £1. So if you go to Dalston with £20, you can get a lot of items. You know, your weekly fresh veg, fruits and veg. So yes, continue with us as we go through this lovely market area. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything for you to subscribe. It's free of charge. So remember to give the video a like, share and subscribe, and enjoy the market day.
You ready? Are you sure?
I have these? Hello.
The video I walk.
Yeah.
The video up and around. Alright.
I am.
Oh,
So yeah, I go on and I go through, you get me? Go a little shopping.
Yeah, build two content.
And I build two content.
Why not get a full like for you when we can build some?
Yeah, you just have it by your sticker, you just walk along and you get what you want to be going. You okay?
Every day I
Good,
look early, I'm going to give you a good context. We're not done.
Oh, no, whose birthday? Is somebody's birthday? It's somebody's birthday?
No, we don't feel surprised.
Nice, a nice day, so why not? Watch man still what is a summer?
Happy birthday. That's something right, you know.
Have a good birthday, man. That's a nice day. Oh, there's a coconut one. Oh, roast red fruit.
Second round this. I mean, they ask a boy, a cameraman, they went with the right vibe the first time. I go and catch with things. Live with them.
That is it.
God,
A roast red fruit.
go make a full.
Somebody watch man still there, boss.
Go make a full content.
Wait, them one.
Give me them.
Now let me back for them. I go look for watch man. Want some batteries, my watch. I go search for him and come back. Sorry.
I'm looking out for you.
Yeah.
You're still the same.
Oh, thank you.
How do you know you're the same?
Because I saw her many years ago. She's still the same. Yeah. She used to come from school, and now she's grown up now. Take it over.
And you?
Young lady, how are you?
I'm doing okay. My wife is not doing okay. Yes, tea please, thank
We
you.
have two sizes of cups. We have.
Can I pass these?
Oh, sorry.
Just you there and me there.
Yeah, you
Okay.
there. We have more cup of
Small.
TB, tiny bladder, normal cup or normal bladder.
Now my brother.
Normal bladder this size.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Sometimes they drink it and they just throw it away. So it's better if they have a whole cup instead of going to drink it all.
I love my tea.
Yeah, I'm going to make you the best tea you've ever had. It's going to be ginger tea with cardamom. Have you ever tried that before?
Not together.
No, this is the first time. So
Yeah.
It's going to be a new experience for you.
Yeah.
There's a science in making good tea. What the Japanese scientists discovered is that water has memory. Water has memory.
Oh, you know, I've heard that before.
Yeah.
I've heard that
When you say
before.
positive things to it, it gives you a positive effect. Okay?
I've heard that saying before, yeah.
Because our bodies are mostly comprised
Of
of
water,
75%, and the brain even more, 85%. So it has a profound effect on
I know.
So positive thoughts give positive outlook.
Isn't this what is in its service time to time setting ecosystem?
No, they come with a 3 or 5 year guarantee, so they're not troublesome.
Yeah, but it's been after 5 years now.
I don't think there's a problem with it. Do the thing what I said, Sehun, and it should be fine.
Alright, I try, and if it doesn't, then I come and
Yeah, definitely, yeah. I don't want you to waste your money for nothing. Once you put the tea back in, you turn the spoon anti-clockwise. Why? Because everything in the universe travels anti-clockwise. The stars, the galaxy, even electricity, Hebrew scripture, Arabic scripture, the blood circulation in your body, everything turns from right to left.
You know what I was, as you said that, you know, like when they're writing in Arabic. Is it from right? Oh, yes, come here.
That makes sense, yeah? That's the natural order. Sometimes the planet goes another way. It's called retrograde, but that's an exception. Generally, all planets go anti-clockwise. So this goes in harmony with you. That tells you there is order and there's an intelligent architect that's controlling the world. Those people who are atheists, agnostic, they must realize that there is an order. There's not chaos. It's like what they're saying is basically, if you go to a junkyard where there's a car scrap yard, suddenly a wind blows and then you got a jumbo jet. How can that be possible? From the wind blowing itself. No, it's not possible. Yeah. So while that's brewing,
send him.
Yes.
Do you send like this bracelet?
No, I have bracelet, but not that quality.
Not that
quality.
How much are they?
That whole watch is 299.
No, just the bracelet.
Oh no, I don't know that bracelet. I use Caribbean sugar. You like 2 sugars or one?
One. The stick is a camera stick, but you use a phone. Or you can use a stick to hold your phone or your camera.
You take milk, huh?
Yes.
I'm going to make it a little bit Indian style. You've had a lot of that running, watery kind of tea. I'm going to give you some tea with substance now.
Okay. So, milk powder.
I'm going to put a little bit of cold water for you so you can drink that straight away.
Yeah.
Unless you've got the tongue of a giraffe. You've got the tongue of a giraffe.
The cold water will be good for me added.
Alright, then take care.
Have a nice weekend, yeah?
Yeah, and you.
You have to open them up individually, and it's time consuming. You know, when you get to a certain age, we've got lots of things to do. You know, we haven't got time, so we're busy. Yeah, I understand. They do the powder, but it's like sawdust. It's not the same quality. It's very dry.